Good morning, Shahina.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Did you get your new calculator?
Yeah, I'm not sure how to use it, but
Wow, it looks nice. Is it
yeah.
FX? Can you read it? Is it FX991ES?
Yes.
Okay, then exactly the same. Is it made in China or Thailand? Can you look at the back?
Where does it say?
Yeah, in the rectangular box. What is written there? At the bottom here.
Made in Thailand.
Thailand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yeah, also made in Thailand, actually. It's really high quality calculator. Do you know the
Yeah.
price? How much did your father pay for that?
I have no idea.
Okay, in Cambodia, it's about $25 here. I think
Oh,
similar
wow.
price. Anyway, you are going to use this maybe for a few years. Even at university, you will you need this. There are a lot of functions. But here, Shahina, let me just take the picture first. And, okay. Let's start with calculator first.
Okay.
All right, Shahina, and downloads. Okay, open a file. Good. Share calculator. Okay, Shahina, you can see the calculator, right?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Actually, step by step, you will learn this. Also, there must be instruction book in the calculator. Right now, what you have to know is, you know how to turn on and turn off, right?
I don't know how to turn it off, but I know how to turn it on.
You just press on. You see this button on?
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Okay, on. Is it on now?
Yeah.
Okay, Shahina, on the calculator, we have this main button, this black one. This one is, what is it? Fraction. At the above this one, what do you see here? It is mixed number. Okay. For example, this one is, what is it? Square root. But above this, we have cube root. Can you see that? Okay, this one is, for example, this x to the power something, anything. Number one is, Shahina, this, if you want to use this yellow functions, first you need to press the shift, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then after that you can use this. Anyway, what you have to know here is, number one, Shahina, you need to learn how to use this brackets. Can you see brackets? This one, right? This bracket, open and close. Okay. Yeah. And also this fraction that we are going to use, this, and also the square root. This one is square root. Above this, we have cube root, actually of something. Why is it so? Anyway. Okay. So this one is x squared. If you want to write x cubed, above this one, there's x cubed, right? If you want to use this orange, first you have to press the shift, then press this one. Then you will see x cubed, okay? Anyway, now I will show you in some examples, especially this fraction, square of something, cube of something, square root of something. Let me just delete these things now. Okay, cube root of something. When you are writing, Shahina, you need to write the whole expression, not one by one. Okay, this we can, for this calculator, you can write the whole expression. For example, okay, and this AC means all clear. It means that it clears the screen, all clear. Yeah. This del means delete the last digits, the last operation, okay? For example, you just write here 1, 2, 3, but you want to change this 3. So delete 3 and write something else. This cosine functions we will see later. Another function you have to understand here is that you're going to use here is this one. Can you see this function? S to D.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that means that it changes from fraction into decimal, from decimal into fraction. Okay, for example, if you just write 2/7, for example, okay, this is a fraction form. Can you write 2/7 now in your calculator? Right, first press fraction, press fraction.
Yeah.
Okay, numerator right 2, denominator 7. Now press equal.
Equal. Okay.
What do you see in the screen now?
The same 2/7.
Okay, now I want to change this into decimal. Now press this S to D. This S to D. Press it.
Oh, 0.285714287.
So that means that it is changing the fraction into decimal number.
That's cool.
Okay. Shahina, again, one more thing. For example, write 19/3, for example.
19.
First, press fraction. And 19/3. Press equal. What do you see?
19/3.
Okay, now press shift. Press this one, shift.
Yeah.
Okay, now press this S to D.
It's doing nothing.
What do you see now? 19/3, fraction 19/3, right? What do you see in the screen?
It hasn't changed.
No. Okay, first press shift. Can you see the shift here?
Yeah.
Press.
Yeah.
Okay, now press this one, S to D.
Yeah, I pressed it.
Okay, check it. What do you see?
The screen.
One more time, press S to D.
This?
Yeah, can you keep it closer to the screen? Let me see. Can you keep? Yeah, I cannot see anything.
Yeah, do you want me to? Oh wait, it turned it into 6 1/3.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
What is this, Shahina? That is a mixed number. Changing improper fraction into mixed number.
Oh, that's cool.
On the right-hand side, right? Okay,
Cool.
also that one, we are going to use this. Okay, this mode, right now we don't need this. I'll show you later. Square roots. Okay. Okay, now, Shahina, write square root. Can you write square roots?
Square root, okay. This one?
Yes, square root. You see this?
Yeah.
This one. Okay, did you press it?
Yeah.
Write 17, for example.
17, okay.
Right, press equal now. What do you see?
Another square root of 17.
Okay, nothing, right? Now press S to D, this one, S to D.
Oh, it turns it into a decimal.
So now, as you see here, you need to write your answer in decimal form in most cases, okay? This is how we change like fraction or square root of something into decimal number. This S to D means changing the standard form into decimal number.
I see.
Okay, that we are going to use this. And when you're writing one thing, for example, okay, I'll just show you the example. And let's just pause it for now. Okay, that's step by step. You will learn that it's very, very useful calculator, Shahina. Now, last test in test 2, if you remember, there was a question. Now we will see it together. Evaluate this using a calculator. So you have to put the whole expression into the calculator and press the button, equal button. Then you should get the answer. I was expecting you to do that one. Maybe at that time you didn't have calculator, you didn't do anything. Shahina, first I will start with your test, okay?
I don't know, but like when on the square root, you know how there's supposed to be a number on top of it? It wouldn't work on mine. Like, I didn't know what I was supposed to do. And
Okay, Shahani, can you see your paper?
yeah.
Don't be sad, but actually, again, it's a bit low. Maybe you never did such test before, but it's improving. What's your score?
24.
Out of 100. But it's okay, but at least better than the previous test. Now let's go move to the questions, Shahina. Okay, we will solve them one by one, okay? But now I just want to show you that calculator parts. Okay. All right, now this one. All right. So use your calculator to evaluate. What is the question? Evaluate. All right. Here, right? Okay, that's a question. All right, evaluate. And it says that giving your answer correct is 3 decimal places. Do you know how to write the answer correct to 3 decimal places, Shahina?
Yeah.
No. Okay, Shahina, let's start with the first one. For example, okay, can you evaluate the first one?
See, 4. Okay, 25 minus.
Shahina, can you see pi?
Yeah.
At the bottom.
Yeah, I can see it.
But to use that pi first, you need to press shift, then press that button.
Do you hold the shift?
No, don't hold. Just press shift, and after that, press that button.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, and close the brackets. Press equal sign. What did you get? What did you get?
Decimal point. It says 49.73451,754.
Okay, did you get this answer? Wait, Shahina, let me just give me a minute. Let me open another one. Otherwise, it's messy here. Okay, Shahina, open with Microsoft Edge. All right, here. Ishan, what did you get? Tell me the answer.
49.
49. Point.
7.73451.
Okay, but here in the question it says that leaving your answer correct to 3 decimal places, right? So that means that that's the decimal place, that decimal point. So we should keep 3 digits after that, and the rest we have to round off, right? If the next digit is greater than 1, we have to add 1 to the previous digit and just drop the rest. So that means that here it is 5. So that thing that is equal to them, it is 49.73. Because this 5 is greater than 4, we should add 1 to the previous digit. 4 plus 1 is 5. That is the answer. Correct is 3 decimal places. Okay, the next one. Okay, China, can you just speak and do it, okay, so that I can see what you're doing. How do we evaluate this? What is the first thing you have to press?
Add a fraction.
Okay, press fraction.
Okay, and another fraction.
Yeah, press fraction one more time in the numerator, right? Yeah. Because you need to write 2 over 7.
2 over 7.
Okay, minus
square
root of 15.
Of 15. Times
square root of, and not square root of, cube. Shahina, now can you write this cube? This cube root of 3. How do you write this? Press shift. Yeah, press shift above the square root. Can you see cubic root?
Yeah. The one with the 3.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So can you write the exact expression in your calculator?
I don't know. Cause let's see. So I press shift and press the square root, right? The
Yeah.
cube. Oh, I see. I got it.
Okay. Now write 3 inside the root.
3.
Okay, move
Okay.
down now to the denominator. Square root of
Mm-hmm.
5 is divided by 11 over 2.
5 is divided by 11 over 2. Um, um, divided by
Fraction again, 11 over 2.
over 2. Okay.
Okay, equal.
Equals. Wait.
What did you get?
I think I double pressed it. Um, can I redo that because I think I just mixed it up.
Okay, move back. You just press move, the arrows at the top, the big one, the big button.
Uh-huh.
Can you just press the to the left?
To the left. It didn't do anything.
Okay. China, quickly,
Um,
can you just key in all these numbers again then?
yeah.
Let me just see what you get.
Okay. 2 over 7. Okay. Minus square root of 15 times 3. Times shift. Oh, um. Times multiplication square root of 3. And then we go down, that is 5 divided by 11 over 2. I got negative 13.03650821.
0360508 blah blah. Very good.
Yeah.
That's correct answer. Now again, we have to write this answer correct as 3 decimal places. So that's the decimal point. That means that after the decimal point, we have to keep 3 digits, right? So one, 2, 3. These are the 3 digits. The next number is what is it? Greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the previous digit. So that is equal to minus 13.036. Not 6. 6 plus 1 is 7.
7.
Okay, that is the answer. Correct is 3 decimal places. Your answer must be, if you actually the question is use your calculator to evaluate, your answer must be exactly this. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. Okay.
Okay.
So now, can you do this? I will give you 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Start then. 1 minute. Let's see if you can do this in 1 minute.
2. Wait, what is that? 3. Okay. Time.
Above x squared, that's cube. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Very good.
Times 7.42. 742. We're gonna move down 5.68. 2. And okay, now plus. Oh, okay. That's that. And fraction 5.16 times 1. 56 times.
Did you get the answer?
Almost. Okay. I got 112.0655108.
112.
Uh-huh.
Okay, can you check, is everything correct? Because my answer is 111.
Wait, really?
Yeah, can you check all the expression in your calculator right now?
How do I do that? Like,
You see that's replay at the top,
yeah.
the biggest button. Okay, just
Yeah.
press to the left and you will see all everything. Just move
Okay.
it.
Okay. Let's go back. So I did 10.923 times 1.2.
10.92 cubed. Did you write cubed?
Yeah.
Okay, times.
Plus 5.16 times x point 42, 1.56 times
7.42 square root, 5.68 squared plus cube
yeah.
root. Did you write cube root?
Oh no, I didn't. I didn't see that. Oh, that's
What did you
why.
write? Just square root.
Yeah, I didn't see the 3.
Okay, that must be cube root. Only
Okay.
that part deleted and re-enter.
Okay. Small mistakes can change. Let's delete. So that's gonna be shift that am. That's gonna be 5.16 times 6.42. 6.42. Below that is gonna be 1.56 times 4.72. 4.72. Okay. Yeah, I got 111.595265.
Okay, 111.595265. Is it something like this?
Yeah, that's exactly
Very good.
it.
Now correct the 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So we have to keep these 3 digits. And after that, as you see, the first digit is less than 5. You can just ignore this, right? So that is equal to 111.595. Correct the 3 decimal places.
I see.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
very good. So now, Shaheen, actually, we are going to solve this together quickly. Okay, you may actually experience, but still some easy questions you didn't solve. I don't know why. Let's start with A. Okay, let's start with A. But your answer is something different.
Wait, really?
Actually, in your paper, not much space. That's why let's do it here. As you see,
Okay.
LCM, right? Least
Lowest
common multiple. To do this one, as you know, we have to write these numbers next to each other and draw a vertical line and
Yeah.
start dividing by the smallest prime number. Since it is LCM, we need to multiply all these numbers together, right? So I don't have to
Yeah.
put star on any number. So divide by 2, it is 2863. Divide by 2, 1463. Now divide by 3, 1421. Divided by 7, here we have, okay, 2, here we have 3, divided by 2, 1,
1.
actually divided by 3, it is 1. Anyway, these numbers, right? So if you multiply this, then least common multiple of 56 and 63 is equal to 2 times 2. And here we have 2, one more 2, right? It is 8, 2 times 2 times 2. Actually, I had to write 2 here. Anyway, that's equal to 8. And here we have 3 times 3. It is
That's
9. And what else we have here? 7. That's all. 2 times 2 times 2. 8. 3 times 3. It is 9. And here we have only 7. Can you multiply this? What do we get here?
let's see, 8 times 9 is 72. 72 times 7. 72 times 7 is...
Be quick. 8 times 9 times 7.
504.
Very good. You remember what you got in your answer?
Oh, wait, but...
This is your answer. What did you get? 2,940.
How did I get that?
Maybe while you were dividing, I think you made a mistake.
Maybe.
Where is it? Okay, here. Shahina, you have telephone. Now, can I just send you your solutions? Also, you can compare your answer, okay?
Yeah, I think I know what I did wrong. Because I did, let's say, 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 3 equals that, and then, like, kept multiplying that number. Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
You can just open this in your telephone. Also, you can compare this. I will just send it to your WhatsApp so that we can have discussion here. Did you get it?
No. Oh, now I did.
Okay, I'll just also watch on my... So how much did you get? 2,900 something, I think.
Yeah.
2,940.
I know what I made the mistake on.
Also, another one is also wrong. Shahina, what did you get in the second question, in the second one?
Hold on, let me check. Open it. What page is it on? Oh yeah, the first one. I got 840.
Yeah, 840, right? Yeah, let's see. 8, 56, 140. All right. Divide by 2, 4, 28, 70. Divide by 2, here we have 2, 14, 35. Divide by 2, here we have 1, here we have 7, 35. Divide by 5, 7, 7. Divide by 7, 1, 1. Now we need to multiply these numbers, right? So actually this common multiple is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Here we have 5. And here we have 7. What is it?
times 5 is 40. 40 times...
It is 40. Is it 280?
Let me see. Oh yeah, it is.
As you see here, 280, this is the smallest one. It is divisible by 8, divisible by 58, 56. 208 is divided by 56, that's equal to 5. And also, actually, it is divisible by 140. If you divide it, it's equal to 2. So that's the smallest one, right?
140. Yeah, I got it.
Very good. How about this one? That is 35, 45, 55. Actually, we should start with the smallest one. None of them is divisible by 2. Next prime number is, what is it? 3. So if you divide by 3, it's not divisible by 3. This one divisible by 3 is 15. And here we have 55. Still, I can divide by 3. 35, divide by 3. 5, divide by 3. No. So now next prime number is, what is it? 5. If you divide by 5, here we have 7. Here we have 1. Here we have 11. Both are prime numbers. Divide by 7, it is 1. Divide by 11, here we have 1. Right? So 3 times 3, least common multiple. 3 times 3, it is 9. 5. times 7 times 11. Can you multiply this? What do we get here?
9 times 5 is 45. 45 times 7 is
9 times 5 times 7 times 11. What is it? 3,465.
Did I get that? What did I get on that? Oh, I was close.
You are close, but your answer is 3,355.
Yeah.
But I don't know where did you make mistake?
I
You
don't know.
wrote
I think
3,
used the wrong
7,
number.
3, 7, but you didn't include 5.
I did. It's on the top.
Then
But
why
I
your
thought,
answer is wrong?
I don't know. Here, let me recalculate that. 5. That's times 9 times 7. 7 times 11. It's equals to 3,465.
Yeah, but you wrote 3,355.
Oh, I think I mixed up the numbers.
Okay. How about the next one, Shahina? Next one, we need to find the highest common factor. To do this one, we need to just multiply the common factors, right? Just write here 32, 48, 72.
Yeah.
And all numbers are divisible by 2. Let me just put something here. So if you divide by 2, 16, divide by 2, 24, divide by 2, 36. And still they are divisible by 2, right? So that's equal to 8. Here we have 12. Here we have 18. Still divisible by 2. So here we have 4 and 6, 9. Now, they don't have any common factor, right? Actually, this one is not divisible by 2. This one is not divisible by 3, right? So we should just start here. So what is its highest common factor of these numbers, 32, 48, and 72? Is equal to what? 8.
8.
2 times 2 times 2.
Oh no, that's where I made a mistake.
But what's your mistake here? At the top, it is 2. Actually, your solution is correct, but why didn't you write 8 here?
Because like I thought, like when you the
Even
highest.
yeah, even you put stars, right? You actually put star to 3 2s. Can you see your answer?
Yeah, I see it.
But you need to multiply all these common factors.
Yeah, because I thought maybe that 2 was the highest one, so that was the answer, but I didn't. I forgot that we had to multiply.
Yeah, among this one, actually, 2 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, because if you just write this down, this 2, actually 1 is a common factor, this is also common factor, 8 is a common factor. They don't have any other common factors. Among this one is the highest. And how about the next one? Again, you made the same mistake, right?
Yeah.
You just wrote 3. Actually, you need to multiply those numbers. Here we have 54, 90, 240. If you divide them first by 2, it is 27, 45, 120. Actually, these numbers are not divisible by 2, right? And next number, try 3. If you divide, try 3, yes. Divide by 3, 9. Divide by 3, 15. Divide by 3, 40. Do they have any common factor? No, because this one is not divisible by 3, right? And this one is divisible by 3, so they don't have any common factor. So highest common factor of the given numbers is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Your solution is correct, but you should have multiplied this 2 and 3.
Yeah, that's where I made a mistake. I'll keep that.
Okay, now you understood this.
Yeah.
In the next test, you will not make such mistake. You will have another test, similar one, tomorrow or maybe Wednesday. Why did you skip this question, Shahina?
Wait, I skipped that.
It's a very easy question.
Yeah, it is. Why did I skip that?
Okay, it says that find the value of x. Okay, this is given. What should do here is, my suggestion is, Sahina, since we have fraction here, right? And let's say here we have something like this, x equals a and b. First evaluate a and evaluate b, then substitute here. What is a here? Here we have a equals 1 over 2k, right? As you see here in the numerator, we have 1 over 2k. That's equal to 1 over 2 times, what is k? K equals negative 1 here. So that is negative 1. That's equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, now I know the numerator. How about the denominator? That is h squared plus g over, actually this is g, 5y squared. What is h? H equals negative 2. Substitute here, negative 2 squared plus, what is g? G equals 4. So let's write 4 here over 5 times. What is y? Y equals 3. So 3 squared. That's equal to negative 2 squared. 4 plus 4 over 3 squared is 9. 5 times 9 is 45. So if you just combine them, what we have here, 45. 4 times 45, 180. 180 plus 4, 184. Okay. So what we have here is something like this. A equals negative 1 over 2 over B equals this, 184 over 45. And you know how to divide two fractions, right? Here we have something like this. Minus 1 over 2 is divided by 184 over 45. And if you just change the second fraction upside down, we have 1 over 2 times 45 over 184, which is equal to minus, and here we have 45, and here we have 2 times 184. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 8, 16. We have 1. 2 times 1, 2. With, actually, 1 it is 268. You don't have to simplify anything. Just leave your answer like this. Okay? Okay. Here, important thing is, can you substitute these values into the expression and simplify it? Okay? Okay. All right. Question B. Actually, question B, you just answered the first part. How many pieces of length 40 centimeters are there? But the second part, you didn't answer. What is? Isn't it? Oh, I had to. Oh. Right? I didn't see that answer. Where is it? Actually, you got even 10, I think, but you didn't show me the answer. I didn't? Because your answer is only 26 pieces left. Yeah. But there are two questions, right? That's the first part, that's the second part. Oh, so that's 26 times 40, right? Yeah, that's with it. A ribbon is 14 centimeters long. 14 pieces, each of length 15 centimeters, are cut from it. The remaining piece, what? It must be remaining piece. Yeah, the remaining. I will correct this. Remaining piece is cut into equal length of 40 centimeters. How many pieces of length 40 centimeters are there? Okay, 14 pieces, each of 25. First, we should change this into centimeters, right? Because everything is centimeters. That is 14 times 100. That's equal to 1400 centimeters. First step, 14 pieces, each of length 25. So that is 1,400. Subtracting 14 pieces, each one is 25. So how much is left? 1400 minus 14 times 25. That's equal to 1,050 centimeters of ribbon left now. So the remaining piece is cut into equal length of 40. Okay, so how many can we? We know that 1,000 is divisible by 40, but this thing is not divisible by 40, right? Because here, if you divide by 40, how many 40s we have? 1,040 is divided by 40, that's equal to 26. So I can write this 1,050 as 26 times 40 plus 10 centimeters. So how many pieces of length 40 centimeters are there? How many? 26.
Mm-hmm.
And what is the length of the piece that is left? 10 centimeters left. So you need to write here answer. Answer is 26 and 10 centimeters. Your answer must be like this.
Yeah.
I think you did this, but you forgot to write the 10 because I
Yeah.
can see the 10 in your solution here. You would divide it and subtract this.
Yeah, I forgot
Okay,
to add
Shahina.
that. Okay.
Okay, Shahina, let's have some rest. Actually, you must be tired. After 10 minutes, we will continue. All right?
Okay.
Okay.